Churches and other religious organizations have heard very little about how and when they can hold services. Now, tomorrow, churches suing Oregon Governor Brown in their attempt to reopen have to file papers. Lisa Balick looking into all of this. She joins us live from Southeast Portland. Lisa?
Jeff, this is one of the 10 churches that has filed a lawsuit against Governor Brown, her stay-home order, saying it violates their freedom of religion. Now, also today, President Trump weighed in on reopening churches.
The churches are not being treated with respect by a lot of the Democrat governors. I want to get our churches open.
But right now, there is no official guidance from the Centers for Disease Control for reopening churches and other houses of worship. No decision on issues such as whether to limit sharing items like prayer books or temporarily suspending choirs and collection plates. As states start to open up, like Oregon and Washington, pressure's building from faith-based groups to be allowed to hold religious services. Tomorrow, 10 Oregon churches in a lawsuit against Governor Brown to reopen have to submit arguments to the Oregon Supreme Court, along with the governor's legal team. The High Court had temporarily blocked a lower court decision that would have lifted the governor's stay-home order.
But there are other communities in the state, counties where there's been 0 or 1 coronavirus case, and they should be able to take that into consideration when they're deciding whether or not to go to their local church and participate in a religious ceremony.
Meanwhile, faith-based groups are trying to serve their members with restrictions in place. I talked with a pastor at the Living Hope Church in Vancouver, where they've started drive-in church services after consulting with the governor's office. Worshipers stay in their cars and tune in on their radio.
There's just a desire to get together and worship safely. I don't think anyone's in a rush to get inside, but they're definitely in a rush to get back together, and even if it's seeing your friend, fellow congregants in the car next to you.
And that drive-in church tells me their donations are actually up, especially with people giving online. And they've gotten calls from other places around the country asking how they set this up, and from other local churches who want to use their facility, their parking lot as well. Live in Southeast Portland, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.
It is a pretty creative solution. Thanks, Lisa.